Hello, and welcome to the session, Enhancing Writing Using Strategic Reading Behaviors. Before we begin, we would like to introduce ourselves. I am Molly Gallagher, an ELA coordinator through Erie One BOCES.
And I am Cheryl Dodds, an ELA facilitator at the Clinton, Essex, Washington, and Warren County BOCES. Today we will be exploring several research-based reading behaviors and strategies that will enhance your students' writing. Please note that the book guiding our learning today is a second edition Handbook of Writing Research, edited by Charles MacArthur, Steve Graham, and Jill Fitzgerald.
Our learning intentions for today are to review the 3 cognitive models as discussed by MacArthur, Graham, and Fitzgerald, and the research findings, to dig deeper into 4 strategies, and to reflect on the implications for instruction. Our session will be in a playlist structure. You will explore topics that include an overview, 4 reading behaviors, and a closure. Each will have a writing opportunity, a strategy, and implications for instruction. Aligned to each topic is a video that will guide you through the content and tasks. We have also included links to the presentation and note catcher under the first set of links. Please note that these should be completed in the order they are listed. To move on to the next topic, you must view the video aligned with that topic and respond accordingly in your note catcher. Even though these notes are just for you, they will assist you in completing the tasks throughout the session and the final culminating activity for completion credit.
The Writing-Reading Connection. As you view the following clip by Steve Graham, reflect on ideas, words, or phrases that resonate with you.
There's a very strong relationship between reading and writing. There's 3 ways of thinking about this. Reading and writing are both functional activities that can be used to accomplish a task. A second way of thinking about it is that reading and writing draw upon the same skills, knowledge, and processes in terms of being able to read, comprehend text, and in terms of being able to write text. Another way of thinking about this is that when you write, if you're doing it the right way, you have to think about your reader. So there's this connection between writing and making sure that your reader comprehends. And when you read, it's helpful to think about the author behind the text as well. So there's these very close connections between them. And in fact, teaching one helps the other. However, neither by themselves are sufficient. Just teaching reading doesn't make for a great writer, and just teaching writing doesn't make for a great reader. We want to take advantage of how they overlap, but we need dedicated time of instruction for both.
Read the definition of writing as shared by MacArthur, Graham, and Fitzgerald to familiarize yourself with their language. According to MacArthur, Graham, and Fitzgerald, writing is defined as a complex social and cognitive process that requires shared understanding with readers about purposes and forms, knowledge of content, proficiency in language, and a range of skills and strategies, as well as motivation. Mastery of writing requires time, opportunities to write for a range of purposes, and quality instruction.
Throughout our session, there will be several writing opportunities that will include the reading of a selection of text, a personal pause, and an opportunity to reflect in writing. On the slide, you can see that these opportunities will be noted with the heading Reflect, followed by prompts to guide your reflection on the corresponding section in the note catcher. The corresponding section can be found next to the pen and paper icon located at the bottom of the slide. So for our first writing opportunity, we are going to think back to the video and the definition on the last slide. What were the key ideas, words, or phrases that resonated with you? Then reflect on the writing occurring in your classroom. So how many planned opportunities are there? How many minutes per class or day are dedicated to writing? So pause here and go to your note catcher under writing opportunity number 1 to record your response.